With a lot of attention focused on the race in college football, it's hard to believe that basketball is right around the corner. Chris Ramos is live in our Los Angeles bureau with a preview.
Thanks, Colton. Arizona opens the season as the overwhelming Pac-12 favorite. And after covering the conference media day, I get the feeling that spots 2 through 12 are very much up in the air.
Aren't upsets. There's so much parity that, in a given year, especially in conference play, I believe anybody can beat any other team, and especially in a conference like the Pac-12.
Arizona State was represented at Media Day by four-year starter Jonathan Gilling and U of A by junior Brandon Ashley.
A year ago, we had amazing team chemistry. I think that more than anything stands out when you reflect back on a year ago. And it's up to guys like Brandon now, myself.
I do think we have a group of good basketball players who will be a team, who will be well connected and play with a lot of heart and passion.
Both Arizona State and Arizona will rely heavily on their experienced seniors, Gilling and TJ McConnell.
Well, John has had a terrific career for us. He's basically been a four-year starter, even though sometimes he prefers to come off the bench. He makes shots, he stretches the defense, but he's such a high IQ player that when he's on the floor, our offense is more fluid and our defense is better positioned. He really helps the other guys with his voice and his example.
One of the most experienced players that's playing this game. If you think about, TJ's played 3 seasons of college basketball, 2 at Duquesne in the Atlantic 10 Conference and 1 at Arizona. He's been an all-conference player in all 3 years that he's been a part of the game. To have that experience at that position is something that I think any coach would love to have.
Arizona is slotted just behind Kentucky in most preseason polls. This is the Wildcats' highest ranking since they were number 1 in 2002-2003. That season, they were Pac-10 champions and lost in the Elite Eight to Kansas. For the Cronkite Sports Bureau in Los Angeles, this is Christopher Ramos.